Having learned a sentence having three parts, subject, verb, object, a sentence begins with the capital letter, it ends with a full stop, exclamation or a question mark, whatever. Now we're going to further learn there are four kinds of sentences. We learned a sentence, the group of words that make complete sense. That sentence, there are four different types of sentence. And while doing the exercise, you will understand to segregate this sentence from that sentence. So, there are four kinds of sentences. So, we are going to learn now kinds of sentence. Okay? Now, first we look at the sentence, then we will discuss how to identify what does this sentence say, what are we looking for, kinds of sentences. Kinds of sentences. A sentence can make a statement. Can it? Yes? A sentence, what first we are going to look at it, a sentence can make a statement. A sentence can make. A sentence can make a statement. Can make a statement. Now I'll put a few sentences for you. Okay. One, the sun. The sun a sentence, kinds of sentences. A sentence can make a statement. The sun rises in the east. I said a sentence can make a statement. Now I am making a statement. The sun rises in the east. Look at the sentence. What is the sentence telling you? It's making a statement, a true statement. Statement can be true or false. The sun rises always rises in the east. Okay? Now, the boys made a noise. The boys made a noise. That's another statement. A sentence can make a statement. The sun rises in the east. The boys made a noise. Another statement. Sam will not visit us today. Sam. A statement can be right or wrong, positive or negative. Okay. Now, the sun rises in the east. I can also make another statement. The sun does not rise in the south. Statement. Positive, negative. Okay. Here, I say Sam will not. Sam will not visit us tomorrow. Will not visit us tomorrow. Now, look at this sentence. The Sam will not visit us tomorrow. Okay, another one. John is fond of oranges. Now we conclude A sentence that states or declares something. It's called a declarative sentence or affirmative or assertive. We are talking about a sentence. A sentence can make a statement. Here, I have put down 4 sentences. It makes a statement. What does it say? It says, the sun rises in the east. It's a statement. The boys made a noise. It's a statement. Sam will not visit us tomorrow. It's a negative statement. John is fond of oranges. It's a statement. So, a sentence can make a statement. Now, I'm telling you, a sentence that states, what does it state here? Or declares something. It's called a declarative sentence. So, what does this sentence that states here? What does it declare? It declares the sun rises in the east. What does it declare here? The boys made. What did they declare here? Some will not be coming tomorrow. And John found. So, all these statement sentences, they're telling something. What does it tell? What did they declare? It declares sun rises in the east, yes. The boys made noise. The Sam will not be visiting us. And John likes all this are what we call it. They're declaring something. They're telling something. So, or they're affirming something. What does he affirm here? We say sun rises in the east. Yes, it will always rise in the east. Boys made. We say this is the declarative. We're declaring, yes, the who made? The boys made noise. And John, he likes oranges. Sam will not become. We are declaring. We are making a statement. And these kind of sentences that affirm, that means they are telling very strongly, boys made noise. We are telling very strongly, it's a declarative sentence. What kind? Declaring, affirming, saying and assert. We are strongly saying assertiveness. Assertive, affirmative, declarative, they are all one type of sentence. So what are we learning today? We have learned the sentence make a statement. And here, what we are doing here is, we are doing what is called a declarative sentence. Okay. Now, a declarative sentence can be positive or negative. Now, I have a negative declarative sentence here. That is, Sam will not visit us tomorrow. Or I can say, John is not fond of oranges. Negative declarative sentence. The boys did not make a noise. Negative declarative sentence. The sun does not rise in the east. So, a sentence that states, declares something is called a, so we can say that these are declarative sentence. D-E-C-L-A-R-A-T-I-V-E. Declarative sentences. Declaring. They're declaring something, they're affirming something, and they are asserting something. Yes, the boys made noise. Sun rises in the east. John is fond of oranges. Okay. Declarative. A-T-I-V-E. A-T-I-V-E. Okay. So, what did we learn today? There are 4 kinds of sentences. Kinds of sentences. And we have done one kind. The first kind is declarative sentence. What do we know? A sentence can make a statement. It can be affirmative. It can be assertive. And we call such sentences declarative sentence. We will do more in the form of exercises for you to grasp better.